If you're studying Cambridge IGCSE Business Studies, here's a little hack that's going to help you out. Yes, you've probably got a textbook, you've probably got a teacher, but there's nothing better than a bit of one-to-one help. Well, we live in a world of AI now, so I have set up an entirely free one-to-one tutor that you can play with from your phone. In the comments section below this video, click on it, it will take you through a GPT which is trained at your level for the Cambridge IGCSE 2024 syllabus. It knows all of the things you need to know. You can talk straight about points from the syllabus. You don't need to explain who you are, and you can ask it whatever you like. It will pitch its answers at the level you need for the exam. It will keep explaining it to you. Should be really useful. If you find this useful, I suggest you follow on producing other videos. If you've got any specific requests, put them in the comments below this video. Hope it helps.